Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sols H2. Got a new video for you today. I'm going to be installing these very nice Rizoma mirrors to my MT03. Hopefully it all goes well. Haven't done it before, but we'll see how we go. Enjoy. Rizoma mirrors. Very well made. You can tell it's quality. Inside you have O-rings to slip over the bar ends, and also comes with some caps to cap off the original mirrors. So I'll start by taking these off. Relatively easy to take off. Twist, 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 just till they come off. One. The other one. Now I believe that's what these caps are for. Pretty straightforward. Hoping they fit, which they do. Just caps off that. One, and the other one. Very excited for this. I've been doing a lot of research before buying these, looking at different pictures, and these things just, I think they're going to look unreal. The bike looks really good out there at the moment. Caps in, all nice and capped off. Just finishes it a bit nicer. This one over here too, boom, nice and capped off. You have to start the install of the Rizoma mirror. Now, in a previous video on my Instagram, I installed these chrome bar ends. Took about 5 minutes to install. It's just a matter of popping it off, screwing back on. Simple as that. Literally 5 minutes. So with this, you're going to need a 3/16 Allen key. Well, that's what we call them here. I'm not sure what you guys call them in the US or wherever you're watching, but that fits in there perfectly. So you just twist this mirror here, like so. Slide it over that bar end. And it's just a matter of tightening it up to suit. Obviously don't need to over tighten. Boom. Simple as that. Straight out of the box, slide straight over the bar end and tighten it off. We'll do the same with the other one. Now obviously with these particular mirrors, you can mount them either up like that or sitting underneath, like so. I'm not sure what I'll be doing yet, but just for argument's sake, just so you guys can get a better idea, I'll mount this one upside down. Again, same dealie, slide it over the bar end. Use your 3/16 Allen key to tighten it up. Nice turn, nice and tight, beautiful. Not sure which way I like better yet, but yeah, it's as simple as that. That took what, 5 minutes? Not even. I think I'm going to go with this one actually. I like how that looks. Let me know in the comments if you guys have done any modifications on your own bikes and how easy it was, but yeah, I'm really liking these Rizoma mirrors. Just look great. Very, very good quality too. Steel. Feel very, very good. So yeah, Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. I haven't uploaded for a while because of the rain.